So place these numbers in order starting with the smallest. We've got, ignoring the decimal places, 2013, 2, 0, 20, and 201. This alone is enough to order them because the smallest number before the decimal point is 0. So that must be the smallest. 0.2013. This must be the smallest. Then the next smallest is 2 because that's just 2 units. So we had 0 units, now we've got 2 units. We've upgraded a little bit. Let's go to the tens next. We've got 20 here. So 20.13, this has been used up. And with 201.3 versus 2013, well, this is 10 times bigger. So 201.3 and then 2013. You'll notice that the same digits are being used, but what changes is where the decimal point goes. So the decimal point seems to be moving one place to the right every time, meaning that the number is actually getting bigger as we get from the left to the right, which is what we wanted, because it says in order starting with the smallest. The smallest number is to the left, the biggest number is to the right. To 489, add 435. So 9 add 5 is 14. We've got 4 extra 1. 8 add 3 is 11, add the 1 is 12, so 2 extra 1. 4 add 4 is 8, add the 1 is 9, so 924. Then 7,046 take away 717. So 6 take away 7 we can't do. This 4 becomes a 3, this becomes 16. 16 take away 7 is 9, 3 take away 1 is 2. 0 take away 7 we can't do, so this becomes 6, this becomes 10. 10 take away 7 is 3, and 6 take away nothing is 6. So this is 6329. 126 times 23. 6 times 3 is 18, so 8 extra 1. 2 times 3 is 6, add that 1 is 7, and 1 times 3 is 3. Next row, we've got the 0 first of all. 6 times 2 is 12, so 2 extra 1. 2 times 2 is 4, add that 1 is 5. And 1 times 2 is 2. So then adding these together, 8 add 0 is 8, 7 add 2 is 9, 3 add 5 is 8, and 2 remains here. So we've got 2898. Next, let's do this in terms of the digits as a division. So 199.95 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 1? Well, it doesn't. How many times does 5 go into 19? 5 3s are 15, remainder 4. 5 9s are 45, remainder 4, but we have decimal point here. 5 9s are 45 again, and then we've got a remainder of 4 again, but this time you can see that it goes exactly. So 39.99. 3 divide 7,296 equally between 12 people. 7296 divided by 12. 12 doesn't go into 7. 12 goes 6 times into 72. 12 doesn't go into 9, so 0 there. And 12 eights are 96. So that becomes 8, and the answer is 608. Find and list in ascending order all the factors of the number 48. Well, factors come in pairs. So we've got 1, 48, 2, 24, 3, 16, 4, 12, 6, 8. So in order to write these in ascending order, we need to write all of these numbers in order, and then just switch to this column and write all of these numbers in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Write 90 as the product of prime factors. So the way to do this is to start off with the number in question, in this case 90, divide it by the smallest prime number possible, which is 2. We're left with 45. Divide that by the smallest prime number you can divide it by. We can't divide it by 2, so we have to divide by 3. That leaves us with 15, which is a product of 3 and 5. So this is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, or in other words, 2 times 3 squared times 5. 6. Find 35% of 700. 35% equals to 35 out of 100. We are finding 35% of 700. Of in maths means multiply. So we can divide top and bottom by 100 here, and we're left with 35 times 7, which we can do up here. So 5 times 7 is 35, extra 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Add that 3 is 24, leaving us with £245, and the units are very important here. Question 7. Bert has 24 donuts. He eats 3/8 of them. How many donuts are left? If he eats 3/8 of them, that means that 5/8 are left, because 3/8 add 5/8 equals 8/8, or the whole. So we are finding 5/8 of 24. So we can divide top and bottom by 8, leaving 1 here and 3 here. Then 5 times 3 gives you 15. So that's the first half of this paper. I will be resuming with part 2 tomorrow. Let me know if there are any specific papers that you would like me to cover in the comments below. I'll do my best to cover them, and I'll see you tomorrow for the rest of this paper.